What's up everybody, JJ here. I purchased this Eufy by Anchor 360 degree security camera, and I wanted to do a review of it and just show you some of the things that I noticed right off the bat after I unboxed this camera. First of all, I love how they've protected this product. They've got covers on the lights, they've got cover on the camera. They thought about the installation, they thought about the user, and I really appreciate that. They also provided this hook here, and I'll show you later on how I use it, but it's to hold the camera while you're wiring the camera up. They also thought of the little things, right? The little things matter. This little O-ring here to make it that much more watertight. They even gave you a microfiber memory cloth to wipe it off after you pull everything off. They gave you a wonderful installation guide with actually easy pictures to see and understand for the installation process. One thing to note, you will need to bring this inside and plug it into a USB power adapter so that way it can connect to your Wi-Fi inside before you bring it out to do the installation. Now let me show you a little bit of the installation process. And this is where that strap comes in handy. It hooks right onto here, holds it in place while I can take the wires, put the wire nuts on and connect the wires with two hands instead of trying to hold this up while I'm doing that. They did an excellent job with providing that for you. Got the camera installed, and just another little thing that they added is a little cover here to be able to cover that up so you don't see that. I've got to take the piece off and stick it on there, but it's just neat to see the little things that they add, the details, to just make it look a lot better. They also have each one of these lights is adjustable. You can pivot it whichever way you want, then you tighten it down or loosen it however you would like it to be, and you can even pivot it up or down here. A lot of neat features with this camera. It looks really nice on the house, and I'm looking forward to seeing how it performs. And this is what it looks like installed on the side of the house.